Sitting at home, there are so many things that we miss. Friends ಜೊತೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, travel ಮಾಡೋದು, and cafe. Those bright colors and beautiful interiors, especially cappuccino. Seriously, I'm missing cappuccino. Wait. Instead of missing it, ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು? Come on, let's prepare. That's when I picked up Continental Cappuccino. Take a Continental Cappuccino sachet and empty it into the coffee cup. Now take a glass of hot water and add it. Now stir it well. Wow! Now cappuccino is ready. It's so easy to do. Chalo, let's enjoy. This coffee is so light and creamy. Who need cafe? I have the best cappuccino at home. In Mele, I am not going any cafe. Yakendre, nanata best cappuccino there from Continental Cappuccino Coffee. So try this. This is really amazing. You'll enjoy it.